Hello, my name is Victor, and for my presentation today, I picked nitrogen. For the origin, I said nitrogen was discovered by Scottish physician Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Nitrogen was obtained from liquid air by fraction distillation. Now, what that actually is, it's the separation of a mixture into its components parts, especially if it's like a chemical component. And the origin for the word comes from Greek words. For the properties, nitrogen has 7 protons, 7 neutrons, and 7 electrons. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. The only 2 stable nitrogen isotopes are 14 and 15, and the rest are radioactive isotopes, such as 13. How does nitrogen look like? Nitrogen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas. Nitrogen is the most abundant element in the Earth's atmosphere. Approximately 78% of the atmosphere is nitrogen. For the natural state of nitrogen, nitrogen is a chemical element with the symbol N and the atomic number 7. It is classified as a nonmetal. Nitrogen is a gas at room temperature. How is nitrogen used in our daily life and in what industry? Nitrogen is important to the chemical industry. It is used to make fertilizers, nitric acid, neon, dyes, and explosives. Nitrogen gas is also used to provide an unreactive atmosphere. Nitrogen is mostly used for food processing companies. There are about 15 types of chemical compounds that nitrogen is in, such as diamine, atropine, moramine, conine, amine, and the rest that are shown on the right picture. For the Lewis dot structure of nitrogen is basically the picture. Based on the octet rule, the element needs 8 valence electrons, and since nitrogen only has 5, it needs to gain 3 electrons to get a full valence shell. Some of the products that have nitrogen are that follows: a container of fertilizer, a jar of protein supplement powder, a can of tuna, and a lot more. And for safety and convenience, these containers may be empty and stored in a small box from year to year. Lastly, how is nitrogen used in the medical field? Nitrogen is often used in the packaging of medical supplies to help maintain cleanness of the product. Nitrogen is used to purge oxygen from the packaging before it's sealed. Please give me A for cat.